Welcome everyone, this is Roger from Roger's Hot Rod Garage. We've got late April 2024 and we're zipping to a place called Mario's Roadside Hot Rods, and it's about an hour from my house, and I've got a little bit of Audubon driving going on. So look, I'm zipping above 100 miles an hour right here. There's actually my speedometer, and there's the GPS right here. So it's not a big deal here in Germany. You're not going to get arrested. They're going to throw away the keys. It's normal over here. And my 34 coupe with the BMW V12, he's got no issue in speeds like that because I'm only going about 3,000 RPM, just a little bit past 3,000 RPM. But hey, look, I'll let you know when we get there. Enjoy the ride. It's beautiful scenery. It's like Washington State, Oregon, where we're headed right now. So enjoy it. Take care. Check this out, we're about an hour north of Frankfurt right now, and these are little, I call them Andy Griffith villages. Time stood still here. Check this out. Absolutely gorgeous. And no, we're not like in Walt Disneyland. This is the way things are built over here. I'd venture to say some of these houses up in here are, you know, 200, 300, 400 years old. Oh, say no to crack right there. Check that out. Man, they're taking the scenic route here. This is like go-kart driving here. Go ahead, Gil, give me some coffee.
Fresh coffee, yes, here we go, fresh coffee, cream and sugar.
Made it here probably about 2 hours ago. Forgot to film anything, but anyway, this is Mario's Roadside Hot Rod Car Shop. Guy does hell of a good job on fabricating stuff, real old school stuff, not the new modern crap. But just gonna walk through here and let you guys see all this stuff. There's my car I drove here today, my 34 coupe. That's one of Mario's products right here. Now check this out, old flatty. So some people are old school pure. Nothing wrong with that, but don't tell me, but he's got a T5 5-speed with an overdrive behind this thing, which makes perfect sense. That's one of those 1970s porno films. Anyway, cool retro rod. And I'm gonna come over here and show you the bird collection. So I don't know if it's illegal in the States, but this is a true American bald eagle. All right, here, so been hanging out here for about 2 or 3 hours, so it's time for me to go. But you can see, you go all the way down here, there's nothing but cool cars down here. Most of the hot rods are up here, but beautiful weather, beginning of the season over here in Germany. So take care, bye-bye. I'll do some filming on the way home too. Hey, what are you doing, man?
Oh shit! Don't drink and drive.
So a little content. What are we doing here?
Having a great time. Hot rods at the Roadside Hot Rod Shop, built in Germany.
Since this is a German event, there ain't no damn hot dogs or hamburgers. We got brats. Hey, all right, we're here in Mario's shop. I love old school stuff like this, like old drill press, super old drill press for small stuff. An old reciprocating saw on the ground for metal. That's not that old, but check this old press out right here. Is that not cool? And then we come over here, and I hope I don't get a YouTube violation because that's not my community anyway. And Zulid, I've got one of these, and this is his shaper right here, English wheel. So I'm out here filming the stuff that didn't quite make it into the car show. This is some of the coolest stuff out here. Nice old Ford product. And then check out the old Buick right here. Absolutely cool. Who cares if it's a 4-door? It's still cool. Old plastic bumper Corvette. Looks like an old LTD Ford right here. And it's for sale. Country Squire. You don't see a whole lot of these Jeep Willies around here, but this looks actually original. Pretty cool. And I think that's the owner right there. Tell me something about your car, gentlemen.
Yes.
Ja, wir können auch Deutsch reden, ist egal.
Ja.
Ja, aber geiles Ding, habe ich vorher gesehen, wo es reingekommen ist.
Ja.
So real quick, he's going to tell me about his. What year is it?
1960.
1960. All right, one more run through the event right now. I got to get on the road here a couple of seconds from now. Dude, put a big block up in here. All right, so we're getting ready to go out. I'm going to show you the owner. Very rare sighting, but Mario's actually here. This is the owner of Mario's.
Ich bin Mario.
All right, hey, let me go ahead and close this video out right now from Roger's Hot Rod Garage. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the trip today. We went to Mario's. Super cool dude, super experienced. He's one of those guys who'll actually tell you what's wrong with your car, or he can also fix, because he's got a business, he can fix your car. But anyway, great gathering. He does it about twice a year, and it's always a pleasure to come down here and hang out with him and all the cool people he calls friends, because I call those same people my friends as well. So from Roger's Hot Rod Garage, take care, like, subscribe, and share.